put it just going to go through what we're doing in maths today then. Okay, so we're going to look at sorting halves and quarters. Now then, if you notice, we've got here two boxes. We've got one where you're going to put some halves into, and the other where you're going to put quarters into. Now, if we were to talk about halves, it's when we are talking about half of a shape. Now, if I take a circle here roughly, if I put a line to the middle, well, that's half of the shape there. I can shade that shape. Half the shape is roughly shaded there. If I put a line to the middle again, still, even though I've now got four parts, half of the shape is still shaded, okay? So I've still shaded half, okay? Now, if we are looking at quarters, I take a circle again here, I put a line through it, and I divide into four parts, and then I shade one part. I've shaded 1/4, okay? And 3/4 are not shaded. So what I would be doing then, I'd be having to decide where to put these two shapes. If we have a look now down the bottom of the page here, if we take the first shape here, so you're going to need to cut these out, okay? And then you can glue them in. Decide, is that a quarter shaded or is it a half shaded? Now if we have a look at it, it's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, okay? And only 1/4 is shaded, only one part is shaded, so you'll be cutting that out. You put into that box there, okay? If we have a look at this one here instead, it's like, right, what is shaded? Well, half of that is shaded, so you would be cutting that out and put it in here. It gets a little trickier with some of these. If we have a look at this one, you have to think, well, there are actually 6 parts here, but when we look at the whole shape, we've got to think, what fraction of the whole shape is shaded? And actually that is the same as this one over here. So that's a half. So you'd be putting this one into the half box, okay? Right, I'm not going to do all of them for you. I want you to have a go. So your job is, first things first, cut these shapes out, and then you can just glue them on or put them into the right box, the correct box, and then take a photo and send it to me now, okay? Right, have a go at that, see how you get on.